Imagine a world where every stain, every splash, and every little household accident is no longer a source of stress, where spilled wine on the couch, muddy footprints left by children on the carpets, or even the mess caused by our four-legged friends could be wiped away in just a few minutes, effortlessly. This world is now within reach thanks to a revolution in the maintenance of your homes, the BISSELL SpotClean C3. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, and order yours today. This powerful cleaner is ideal for families, pet owners, and anyone looking for a quick and effective solution to clean carpets, upholstery, and car interiors without compromising on performance. It is the perfect choice for those who value cleanliness and ease of use in their daily lives. From the very first glance, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 captures attention with its elegant design that conceals formidable power and efficiency. Black, blue, and transparent, this device is not just a practical object, it is a true ally in everyday life. Weighing in at just 4.3 kg, it promises unprecedented maneuverability. Imagine being able to effortlessly transport this portable cleaner from one room to another, or even to your car for an impromptu cleaning session. But what truly sets the BISSELL SpotClean C3 apart is its performance and ease of use. Equipped with an electric cord, this cleaner offers exceptional freedom of movement thanks to its 4.6 meters cord and 1.4 meters flexible hose. You can now reach every corner and tackle every stain without having to plug the device back in. And with a clean water and cleaning solution tank capacity of 1.4 L paired with a 1.1 L dirty water tank, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 allows you to clean more and refill less. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The dual tank technology is a true revolution. It ensures that clean water and the cleaning solution are always kept separate from dirty water. This means that you are always cleaning with clean water for optimal results. And when it comes to results, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 does not disappoint. Thanks to its triple action system, combining powerful spraying, intense scrubbing action, and effective suction, this cleaner tackles spills, stains, and dirt with remarkable ease. Whether you are dealing with old or fresh stains on your carpets and rugs, or looking to refresh the interior of your car or your upholstery fabrics, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 is the ideal tool. The included specialized tools, such as the 15 cm brush for tough stains and the precise spray nozzle, allow you to effectively target dirt for a deep clean. This cleaner is also designed for daily use. Compact and easy to store, it fits in a cabinet or closet, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. And for those seeking the best cleaning results, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 is compatible with specially formulated BISSELL cleaning solutions, which promise to eliminate the toughest stains and dirt. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more and revolutionize your daily life by ordering it now. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, portability. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to transport and store, allowing for convenient cleaning throughout the house or in the car. Advantage number 2, dual tank technology. This is because it is said that clean water and the cleaning solution remain separate from dirty water, ensuring always hygienic cleaning. Advantage number 3, cleaning versatility, effective on a variety of surfaces, including carpets, rugs, upholstery, and car interiors, providing a comprehensive cleaning solution. Advantage number 4, specialized accessories included. Specialized tools like the stubborn stain brush enhance cleaning efficiency on various surfaces. Advantage number 5, ease of use. Designed to be easy to use with easy to fill and empty tanks and a completely intuitive operation. Now, let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1, noise. With a noise level of 81.5 dB, it can be considered loud during use, which may be bothersome for some users or in certain situations. Disadvantage number 2, tank capacity. Although sufficient for small to medium tasks, the capacity of the tanks may require frequent refills during large cleanings. In summary, the BISSELL SpotClean C3 is much more than just a simple cleaner. It is a promise of cleanliness and peace of mind, offering the ability to keep your home spotless in all circumstances. And for those who are ready to embrace this cleaning revolution, just a click on the link in the description is enough to order the BISSELL SpotClean C3 at the best price, learn more about this revolutionary product, and discover the hundreds of satisfied customer reviews who have already integrated the BISSELL SpotClean C3 into their cleaning routine. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.